Assalamu alaikum. Let's start Hvac test number 8. First question. What is the acceptable indoor carbon dioxide level for human comfort? (400 to 1000 ppm parts per million). Which parameter is most important for AHU fan selection? Airflow, ESP, air filter, all above. Which parameter indicates the efficiency of an air filter? MERB or EN classification. IPLB represents chiller efficiency at which operating condition? Part load operation. Which parameter is important for pump selection? Flow rate and head.